Good morning. This is Dre with Grind Major Day Trading, and I am grateful that you're checking me out this today. If this is your first time watching my trade recap, I am a self-taught day trader, and my specialty is out of the money or low risk spread contracts. And my goal is to help as many of you traders, may you be an aspiring trader or an active trader. I want to help you become consistently profitable, and I want to teach you how to do that by using as little capital as possible. All right. So as always, as a reminder, you can go over to grindmajordaytrading.com. Later on today, I'm going to be rolling out some pretty dope information. So you want to take a look at that. Keep up with that on Instagram, GM_day trading. But if you go to the website, you can subscribe to receive my trade plan every day, plus access to my coaching vault. You can become a one-on-one coaching client. You know, everything is done over there at the website, so check that out. All right. So it's a little early, which is a great thing. We always want to be able to get our money out of the market, get in and out and on with our day, because at least from my perspective, the point of doing this is to get your time back, right? You want to make as much money as you can in as short of amount of time so that you can really get your life back, hopefully fire your job, start building some wealth, all of those great things. So with that being said, we're going to go over today's trade plan. Right now it is 7 minutes to 8 in the morning. Just a couple of reminders or acknowledgments for those if this is your first time watching. We use Thinkorswim to watch our position, look at the charts, all that good stuff. We use Nadex to place our trades. So that's why we're looking at Thinkorswim. So here we are. We get our entry here this morning, just diving right in. We got our entry this morning at $57. Our goal is always to be under 100 and ideally as close to 50 as possible. And we definitely got that. We were in pretty early. We got in just after market close last night around 6:18. And we got in at the level of 28.98, just below 2,900. All right. And again, this was 6 o'clock last night. Now, this is a especially good recap for those of you who cannot see yourself trading with a regular 9 to 5. Now, I just told you that we put this trade on at 6 o'clock last night. If you are mobile or if you have access to a computer, surely at some point in time you can find time or make time to follow the plan and get into position if the opportunity presents itself around that time of day. To be totally honest with you, this was on at 6 o'clock last night. I didn't watch any of this trade. I didn't watch any of this trade. I knew that it was going to fluctuate. I had a very strong feeling based on my analysis that it would fluctuate around that 2,900 level. My entry was at a price that I was comfortable with as a stop loss. And I say that because we don't have a stop loss feature, but you can enter in at a low risk, which is comfortable for your wallet, which should also serve as your stop loss. And that's something that I get into in my coaching and my training. But we have a defined risk. So I was in at a price that I was comfortable with losing. If for some reason I woke up this morning and this was totally the wrong way, all the way the wrong way to the point where it would never come back my way, I was okay with the $57. All right. But price did what I figured it would do. It fluctuated around the 2,900 level. It built up momentum, again, which none of this I was watching for a very large part of this 12 hours I was sleeping. We took some drawdown during this period around the London changeover around 3-4 this morning. And then we just made our move. And they found support around 28.90. And from that point, we got our push to the upside. And as you can see, where I came in, let me see, where did I wake up? I got up. I'm up usually around 5 in the morning. So I saw the market around here. I went through my morning routine. So again, I looked at the market at this point, and from here into the exit, I again was not looking at the chart because I go through my personal morning routine I go through to prepare, and I saw that I was in profit. So I felt good about my position. did my morning routine, and I came back and I took profit at the 29.10 level. Now, as you can see, we're looking at a live chart, and these are 5-minute candles. That's why there's so many of them. And I do that so that you can see the detail inside the position, the detail of the price action inside this move. The reason that I got out here is because, and it actually did that, and I will go over this in the plan. I'll read over that in just a moment, so stick around for that. But in our trade plan, I said that we would likely run into some resistance around this level. The fact that we made the move so early and so fast so early, I figured we might stall out around this area somewhere between 10 and 15, 29.10 and 29.15. I figured price would stall out. So I didn't want to deal with that, especially already being in profit. I didn't want to lose any more of my profit if we got more of a drawdown. So I got up. We were up $50 in profit. Our entry risk was 57. So that's only $7 away from 100% return. If I have 50 in my hand, I'm not going to risk that 50 to get another 7. So I went ahead and took my profit at the 29.10 level. Price, as you can see, it did stall out. We got flat 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 for about maybe 30 or 40 minutes, 35 to 45 minutes, somewhere around there. We went flat. So this to me is a really great exit. And then we all obviously got our push to our planned exit, which was at resistance at the 29.15 level. And as you can see right now, currently we're getting some drawdown right at that planned level. So again, this is stuff that we plan out. So let me just read over the trade plan so you know, and just so you know, my coaching clients and my trade plan subscribers have access to this plan. They had access to this yesterday, a few minutes before I got into my position because of where we were on the chart. And you'll see this screenshot. You'll be able to see this at GM_day trading on Instagram. But yesterday at 6 o'clock in the evening, I let everyone know that for Tuesday, we would be in good position to go long if we got price holding above that 28.98 level, or if we get the morning open above 28.98, we could see some slight resistance around the 29.05 area, and price holding above 29.05. So if you just want a visual, 29.05 is right here. And as you can see, price did stall out and went flat for a period, and then it made its push to where we got our exit. So just so you can have that visual, where my cursor is 29.05. So I said that if we get price holding above 29.05, our next level of resistance is going to be around the 29.15 to 29.20 area. And if we get price holding above 29.15 to 29.18, of course 29.20 for good measure, but 29.15 to 29.18, then we'd be in good price to continue going to the upside. So just be patient and allow for that to work out. Right now, looks like they're trying to make a push and break that 29.15 level, but we're definitely not. I'm not going to get back in. One of my clients or my students might notice an opportunity and put on either a live or a demo trade. So I'll share that as well if they do that. But I personally am out for the day. $7 short of 100% return, low risk of $57, exit price of $107, which leaves me with a profit of $50 each. The trade took 12 hours. I was asleep or occupied for the vast majority of that 12 hours. I got up this morning at my normal time, did my morning routine, came back to the chart, took my exit at 6:45 a.m., and my work day is now done. So I literally, we can look at this two ways. We can either say I had no work time in my work day for Tuesday, or we can say all my work time for Tuesday took place while I was sleeping. Either way it goes, my money was working for me while I was asleep. So if you want to learn how to do this, get with me, GM_day trading. You can reach out and touch me, hit me on my DM, send me a message you got a question. Again, today I'm going to be rolling out some really dope information, so stay tuned for that. If you missed the $200 opportunity, the information that I rolled out today is going to be for you. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, a few weeks ago, I had an opportunity for you to get all of my training and my full low risk system for $200. That was 90% off. And I'm going to offer something else today. So stay tuned for that. It'll be done when I get done with it, and available to you at that point. So until you see that, you will have a great day. Have a productive and a profitable Tuesday. Hope you enjoyed the recap, and I will be speaking with you later on today. All right. Peace.